Online drawing classes have started at Chitrayan Art Academy.
Yes. Okay, nice.
If you want to learn drawing from your beloved Deepak sir, check the contact number provided in the video description. You can call or message on WhatsApp to get detailed information.
चित्रायन हमारा सपना कला में बसता जीवन अपना
Welcome to Chitrayan Art Academy. Let's begin. First, I create the basic composition and rough sketch. I refine the drawing with clean, confident lines to finalize the artwork. I sincerely request all my viewers to watch the full video until the end. Please do not skip any part, as you can follow the entire drawing process step by step and learn along with me. If you enjoy my artwork and tutorials, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and press the bell icon to receive notifications about upcoming videos. Feel free to let us know in the comments what type of painting or drawing you would like to see on this channel in the future. I sincerely request all my viewers to watch the full video until the end. Please do not skip any part, as you can follow the entire drawing process step by step and learn along with me. To watch complete video or full drawing process, please click the Join Now button on Chitrayan Art Academy and become a member. Your support helps us create more artwork and educational content. We sincerely appreciate your encouragement and request you to stay connected with us.